Hey, I'm Brian Van.
And I'm Sophia Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new RST Tractech Evo 5 D30 ladies one-piece race suit. Okay. This is actually video number 2 for Sophia here at the shop. First one, you did it like a pro, kid. The all-new Tractech Evo 5 D30 ladies race suit retails for $799.95. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we never update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing. How tall are you and what do you weigh?
I'm 5'3" and I weigh 135 pounds.
Dancer, spin around. Give him a turn. There. Oh, okay, that was meant to be a slower turn so they could see what the suit looks like on you. So go ahead and do that. We're going to leave your turn in there because it looked great. So, Sophia is wearing a size small in this suit, right? I would say for off the rack, given her height, this is quite a good fit. This is the suit she used at Road America to take the 2-seat superbike ride. We're going to keep this suit for her to do some track days when her Suzuki shows up here later in the summer and go with precision track days, do a little bit of riding, because it fits definitely good enough off the rack to get her out there having a good time. This is essentially the men's version of the Tractech Evo 5 built to fit a woman. Sophia's been dancing for how many years now, dude?
14.
14 years. The kid's all quads, right? She's all quads and hams, right, carrying all the weight there. I was worried how and it fit you great, right? Mm-hmm. Actually.
Yep.
Easy to get on, right? It fit you good. You enjoyed the 2-seat ride in it, and it looked so good, I just decided we're just going to keep it to do your own riding in. D30 CE Level 2 armor in the elbows, forearms, shoulders, external shoulder slider to bolster protection in that area. D30 Level 2 armor in the hips, D30 Level 2 armor in the knee and shin. I'm going to give you a close-up look of all this in the second portion of this video when I take the suit off or take it apart and give you a closer look from the inside out. Perforation. There's perforation up here in the torso. All the stretch fabric you see flows air freely. And you had it on for a long time, and it was your first time ever wearing a suit.
Yep.
Once you guys got going, did it feel more comfortable and cool?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Standing around? A little warm.
Yeah.
But, I mean, that's kind of normal. So it's got adequate ventilation, right? Bunch of perf up here in the thighs. Motion panels at the knees. I got to tell you, too, overall, the look, what do you think?
I think it looks really good.
I would agree with that. Like, when I saw you come out of the trailer, she put it on, I'm like, dude, that's a good-looking suit, and that fits her really well, and that's what actually motivated the video. Back of the suit, more of a subtle-sized race hump. Large motion panel here. If there's any area where the fit on her at 5'3" leaves a little bit to be desired, you know, it's just a little bit long. You know, it could lose maybe an inch or two down there. The sleeve length is actually appropriate. And once we got her all geared up, got her in the boots, got her in the gloves, she had a back protector on underneath it. I think fit great. Did you feel restricted or did you feel good?
Nope, I felt really good.
Well, there we have it. If you want more information, stay tuned for the second part of this video. I'm going to take it off and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. Inside out on the RST Tractech Evo 5 D30 ladies race suit. This bad boy has a fully removable liner. It's got a couple of pockets in it for armor. The hip armor comes included in it. The back armor sold separate on our website in the armor section in the RST category. Slides into that little pocket right there. I love the way this is attached. They're using zippers, metal snaps to keep it all together in the cuff, zips down on the bottom. There's even one zip at the back of this liner where it attaches to the inside of the suit Just keeps everything in place. Very well executed. This company is just on the gas. They keep moving forward. Level 2 certified D30 armor in the knee and shin, elbow, forearm, shoulder, and the hip. This is the exact same armor that comes in Max's factory custom RST race suit. I think that's an important point. Suit itself. Integrated tailbone protector, large leather stretch panels across the waist up to the hips, along the shoulder. 4-way stretch is used on this that flows air and moves with the rider. More of a subtle sized race hump. Some more feminine screen printing gives it a better look for the ladies, kind of cool. Back of the legs, 4-way stretch. Heavy gauge locking zippers. Sleeve integrated RST shoulder slider. A little more screen printing, some additional foam padding there too. Multiple layers are used in the impact zones. Locking zipper here in the sleeve. Stretch fabric comes all the way from the cuff up into the collar of the suit. Perforation. Perforation up here in the abdomen. All your stretch is going to flow air freely. A lot of perf here in the upper quad area. Ample use of that 4-way stretch that all flows air freely, right? So you get a lot of cooling built into that. There is a little perf up here in the arm too. Motion panel in the knee. RST knee puck. Replaceable, of course. Inside the suit, there are built-in pockets for the RST chest armor. If you want to add that, zip the pocket open. There's one on either side. Slide it in, zip it closed, and you are race ready. Heavy gauge locking main zipper. Same one you see in all the rest of the race suits. Safety stitched. All the seams are safety stitched. Various areas of the suit, you're going to find multiple layers of material used to enhance protection in those high impact zones. See that here in the knee and shin as well. You can see the suit, there's an extra layer added. It's a man's suit with a ladies cut. This is the Tractech Evo 5, right? It's the same thing as the men's version, just with a cut that really lends itself, obviously, to women. You saw how it fit my daughter, and she's not an easy fit, at 5 feet 3 inches tall. She's pretty muscular. She's a dancer. She's been dancing for years, dances competitively, so she's got some quads on her. This is the same suit that she used for the 2-up with my buddy Chris Ulrich at Moto America. This is the same suit that she's going to use when she's riding her Suzuki GSX-8R later this year with our friends from Precision Track Days. That's how much I believe and trust in it. I'm putting both of my kids in this gear, right? It's the only reason I'm doing it is because I 100% trust it. If you have any questions, leave that in the comment section of this video. I'm here to help you choose the right suit for your next ride.